Hey boys and girls, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Venmo. Before we will know how to withdraw money, there are some considerations and you need to know about them. So guys, let's read. You can request a withdrawal to any approved bank, PayPal and Venmo, or a debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. So it means that you can withdraw money to Venmo account if it's exactly same that you used to deposit money, guys. And also I know that Venmo account and your Prizepicks account should be on the same name, guys, to withdraw money to Venmo. And now let's have a look on the process how to withdraw money. To request a withdrawal, you need to navigate to menu located in the top left corner of the Prizepicks app. You can use also a website. If you are accessing your account on a browser, the menu is in the top right corner. So you need to click request withdrawal and you will receive one-time password code by email. So guys, it's very simple. You need to choose the amount of money you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is $10 and you need to choose Venmo as a payment option, and then you will receive a one-time password OTP code by email. So you need to copy this code and enter. After that, you will finalize the withdrawal and you will send your money from Prizepicks to Venmo. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.